How to calculate the distance between 2 points in Python. If you're calculating the distance between 2 points, first you need 2 points. The points will just be a tuple containing 2 ints. We will call the first one P1, and it will contain 1, 2. We will call the second one P2, and it will contain 3, 4. If you remember from math class, there is a formula to calculate the distance between 2 points. However, I'm a big proponent of not reinventing the wheel when you don't have to. It turns out the math library in Python already has a distance function called dist. So, from math, we will import dist. So we will calculate the distance. Distance equals the result of calling the dist function on D1 and D2. Since the distance formula has a square root built into it, it invariably leads to long strings of decimals, so we will round the distance to 2 decimal places using the round function. Finally, we will just print out the distance. Like and subscribe to learn more.